Hi, this is Swati, and in today's video, we'll see some very important and most repeated questions of chapter Heron's formula. In my previous video, I've already explained what is this formula about, when do we use this formula. So it is completely formula based chapter, as you can see the name Heron's formula. So in this chapter, we'll do 5 most important questions that repeatedly have come in the exam. Now let's get started. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42. So perimeter is 42. So perimeter is basically sum of all the sides a plus b plus c. So since perimeter is given 42, a is 18, b is 10, and first thing is you need to find the third side. So 42 minus 28 is c, and the third side is 14 centimeter. Now we know the side, we know the third side, perimeter is given. So to find the area of triangle is root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a, b, c are the sides of the triangle and s is the semi-perimeter. Now semi-perimeter is basically half of the perimeter. So s is equal to p by 2, which is 42 by 2, 21. Now substituting the value, root over s, 21 into 21 minus the first side into 21 minus the second side into 21 minus the third side. Now substituting the values, after that we will simplify. 21 minus 18 is 3 into 11 into 7. Now these square roots, this is the only challenge that you might face. So this, in this you can always write in the pairs. Now 21 can be written as 7 into 3, and 3 is already there, 11 you cannot further simplify, and one more 7. So here in the square roots you will try to make them into pairs. Now this 7 has its pair, it can be taken out from the root. 3 has its pair, can be taken out from the root, but there is just single 11, so that will stay under the root. So 21 root 11 centimeter square is the area of triangle. So here in this chapter I am going to also explain you how to figure out these kind of questions. When the roots are so many, the only thing that you need to put in mind is every number should has its pair. So when we do more and more questions, you will understand what I'm talking about. Now next one. In a triangle ABC, AB is 15 centimeter, BC is 13 centimeter, and AC is 14 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. So first thing is we need to find area of triangle. So as we know, area of triangle is root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. We are given all the sides ABC, but the semi-perimeter. So first thing is to find the semi-perimeter. What is the semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter is sum of all the sides divided by 2, which means 15 plus 14 plus 13 by 2. This will give us 21 centimeter. This is the semi-perimeter. Now substituting here, so root over 21 into 21 minus 15 into 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 13. So this will give us 21 into, here we get 8, 7 and 6. So now here you can see all the numbers are different. What I'm going to do is 21 can be written as 7 into 3. Alright. Now 8. How can I write 8? 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 7 is just 7, and 6 can be written as 3 into 2. So you will simplify like this. You will factorize like this. So ultimately, what do we have? Now let us find the pairs. 7 has its pair, can be taken out from the root. 3 has its pair, can be taken out. This 2 is one pair taken out from the root, and again this is one more 2 with the pair taken out. So all are taken out from the root. So once we do 7 into 3, 21 into 4 will give us 84 centimeter square. Now this is the area of triangle. Now the next part is hence find its altitude on AC. On AC, that means you can see that BM is the altitude falling on AC. So as we know, whenever the height is given, the area of triangle is always half base into height when height is given. Only when the sides are given, we use Heron's formula. Now, area of the triangle remains the same. So, area is 84 is equal to half into, now, base. This altitude is falling on the side AC, on the base AC. So, it is base is 14 and height is that we need to find out. So 2 into 7, 14. Height is equal to 84 by 7, which is 12 centimeters. I hope this is clear. Now moving on to the next one. The perimeter of a triangular field is 540. Now perimeter is given to us. So perimeter is 540. From this we can find the semi-perimeter, that is half of the perimeter will give us 270 meters. And its sides are in the ratio 25 is to 17 is to 12. So first thing is, let the sides be, first side be 25x, second side be 17x, and third side is equal to 12x. Now, as we know that perimeter is 540, using this information, first I need to find the value of x. Once you find x, then you can find the sides. And once the sides are in place, then we will find the area of the triangle. Alright, now perimeter is sum of all the sides. 25x plus 17x plus 12x is equal to 540. So here we get 7 plus 5, 12 plus 2, 14, 2, 3, 4, 5. 54x is equal to 540. So x is 540 by 54, which is 10. We got x as 10. Now we'll find the side. So side is 25x. 25 into 10, 250 meters, 170 meters and 120 meters. So these are the values of x. Sides, sorry. Now finding the area of triangle. What is area of triangle? Root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now we will just substitute the values. S is 270 into 270 minus 250 into 270 minus 170 into 270 minus 120. This is it. Now root over 270 into 270 minus 250 is 20. This is 100 and this is basically 150. Yes. Now here, see, these are big numbers, and here if you write in in terms of 2, it is going to take you so long. So what we'll do is we will work smartly. 27 is basically 3 into 3 into 3 into 270 into 10. 20 can be written as 2 into 10. 100 can be written as 10 into 10. And 150 can be written as 5 into 3 is 15 and into 10. Yes. Okay. Now let us make the pairs. These 3 is one pair into this is 1 3 and this is another 3. One more pair. This is one pair 10. This is one pair 10 and carefully this 110 is left and 2 is left and 5 is left. So 5 into 2 basically is 10. So 10 has its own pair. So into 10. So 3 into 3 9 and followed by 3 zeros. So 9000 meters square is the area of triangle. Next one. The base of an isosceles right triangle is 30 centimeter. Now here the base is given as 30 centimeter and it's an isosceles right triangle. Isosceles means these two sides are equal, because you know that in a right triangle hypotenuse is the longest side. So these two is going to be 30 centimeter and you need to find the area. Very easy. Since I'm given the height, I'm directly going to use half base into height. So half into base is also 30, height is also 30. 900 by 2, which is 450 centimeters square. Easy peasy. Now, last question of the day. Find the percentage increase in the area of triangle if each side is doubled. Each side is doubled. So firstly, let me write the formula. What is percentage increase? Percentage increase is change. Change is basically how much it has increased by original into 100%. Right? This is the formula. Now, firstly, I will check for the original. All right. Original triangle is what? S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. I'm taking the sides as ABC. So semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C by 2. And area is root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is for original. Now coming to new. Okay. New. Listen carefully. Each side is doubled. Each side is doubled means S dash will be equal to 2A plus 2B plus 2C by 2, right? So here S dash is going to be 2 into A plus B plus C by 2. Numerator 2 I have taken out common. So this basically becomes 2 and A plus B plus C by 2 is basically S. So S dash is 2S, right? Now, here we need to find the area. What is area? Area of S dash, okay? Root over S into, S is what? 2S into S minus A. 2S minus 2S, sides are doubled, into 2S minus 2B into 2S minus 2C. Now, so here, how many 2's are there? Look here. 2S into here I'll take out 2 common S minus A, into here also I'll take out 2 common S minus B, here also I'll take 2 common S minus C. So basically how many pairs of 2 do we have? This is one pair taken out of the root and this is another pair taken out of the root. So under root what all do we have? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So this is 2 into 2, 4 root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So basically this is nothing but original area 4A we can take. So let me take this as new area as A dash. I hope this is clear. We know original area, we know new area. Now you need to find the percentage increase. So I'm going to use this formula. So what is it? Change. Change is what? New minus old, that is A dash minus A by original into 100%. So what is A dash? 4A. Original area is A by A into 100%. So 4A minus A is 3A by A into 100. A gets cancelled. So we get 300%. So this is our final answer. It has, if the sides are doubled, it will increase by 300%. So I hope these questions are clear. I have covered each and every model of this chapter and more or less all the questions are same. It is only formula based, the easiest chapter. Only thing you need to remember is while you simplify the root, that's it. You need to just keep in your head that yes, I need a pair for every number. No matter, it's not necessary that you always convert into 2 into 2 into 2 or 3 into 3 into 3. You need not convert every time into prime numbers. Only thing is you need to have the pair so that easily you can take out of the root. That is the only tip that you need in this chapter. So see you in the next video with the new chapter and thank you. If you haven't subscribed it, please subscribe it so to get more updates. Thank you.